Hi, and welcome back to Low Carb Cocktails. I'm Frank, the Low Carb Cocktail Guy. Today's cocktail is an Amaretto Sour. Now, this is to tag on my previous video, how to make a zero carb Amaretto. Check it out right here. If you haven't seen that yet, make sure you watch that one first so you can make your own Amaretto. Yeah. So, this is a zero carb Amaretto. All the details are in that video. So, an Amaretto Sour is very simple, just like every sour recipe, 2-1-1. 2 parts spirit, 1 part sweet, 1 part sour. So let's get building. All right. In our small tin, we're gonna take our sugar-free, zero carb, yummy Amaretto. We're gonna go 2 ounces. So here we have our 2 ounces. All right, next will be our simple syrup, and this is gonna be an Allulose simple syrup. And there'll be a link in the description below to pick up some Allulose on Amazon. It is an affiliate link, so it does help me out. Thank y'all for getting it there. So we're gonna go 1 ounce of our Allulose simple syrup. And lastly, 1 ounce of fresh lime juice. And this is the only carbs in the drink. This is 2 grams of carbs of fresh lemon juice. I think I just said lime. Been shooting a few videos, been drinking a little bit. If not, we're gonna cut all this out, all right? So now we're gonna add some ice. Give that a good shake. All right. Now we're gonna strain that into a rocks glass with some fresh ice. We can tell 1992 that we're back. Classic Amaretto Sour. And there you go. 2 grams of carbs, the classic Amaretto Sour. Guys, thank y'all for watching. And don't forget, go ahead and give me a thumbs up if you liked the video, leave a comment, let me know what your favorite cocktail is. What would you like to see me make low carb? All right, guys, I'm out of here. Y'all have a good night, because after this one, and the last few videos I shot, I'll be having a good night too. See y'all later.